Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and forcing Windows into the Windows recovery environment so you can stop the automatic repair loop. First, back up critical files to an external drive or cloud because some steps risk system changes. Next, from the sign-in screen, choose Restart while holding Shift to trigger recovery. If Windows won't reach the sign-in screen, power cycle 3 times to invoke recovery automatically. Make sure you also have a Windows 10 USB installer ready in case repair options are inaccessible. Once in Command Prompt inside Advanced Options, you'll disable the automatic repair triggers and repair boot data. You type bcdedit commands to turn off Recovery Enabled and set boot status policy to ignore all failures. This prevents repetitive repair loops. Then rebuild the boot configuration with bootrec/rebuild and repair the disk with chkdskc/f/r to fix file system errors that often cause repairs. Make sure each command completes. If one fails, note the error and proceed to the reinstall. After applying commands, you restart and check whether Windows boots normally. If not, use startup settings to enter safe mode to isolate drivers and services. If safe mode works, uninstall recent drivers or updates. If it still fails, run system restore or choose reset this PC while keeping files. As a final step, use the Windows 10 USB to perform a repair install or clean reinstall. If something goes wrong, remember to note error messages and try safe mode and system restore before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.